Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use oregano oil for gut health. First, understand that oregano oil is a potent essential oil known for its antimicrobial properties. It can help balance your gut flora and reduce inflammation. We'll cover how to safely incorporate it into your routine, including proper dilution and dosage. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or take other medications. Oregano oil is rich in compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which give it strong antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help fight harmful bacteria and fungi in the gut, potentially aiding conditions like SIBO and reducing overall gut inflammation. When selecting oregano oil, look for a high-quality, food-grade product, ideally with a carvacrol content of at least 55%. This ensures you are getting a potent and effective supplement for your gut health. Oregano oil is very potent and must always be diluted before internal use. Mix 1 to 2 drops with a teaspoon of a carrier oil, such as olive oil or coconut oil. You can take this mixture 1 to 3 times daily with food. For those with sensitive stomachs, enteric-coated capsules are an excellent option, as they release the oil in the intestines, minimizing potential stomach irritation. Always follow the dosage instructions on your product label. While generally safe for short-term use, oregano oil can cause side effects like stomach upset or allergic reactions, especially if undiluted. It's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before starting oregano oil, particularly if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications like blood thinners. They can provide personalized advice and ensure it's appropriate for your health needs. And for more great deals, including a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.